readers! Today we're going to practice another welded sound. A-N-K, bank, ink. The three letters A and K are going to stick together. So I like to visualize a piggy bank. All right, so grab a pencil or a pen or a marker and let's get started. Here we go. Let's write the first word, bank. Tap it, B, ink. Blend it together, bank. What's the first sound? B, B. What letter? B. That's right. If you forget which way the B goes, remember, put your hands together and go to bed. B, E, D. So this is our B, B. We're going to write the word bank, B. Here we go. B, B, ink, A, N, K. Ink. Let's read it. B, ink. Read it fast. Bank. Good job. Here's our next word. Change bank to sink. Sink. Where's the change? In the beginning, change the B to S. What letter? S. That's right. S. S. So we have S. Ink. What three letters? A, N, K. Ink. Stick them together. Let's read it slowly. S, ink, sink. Nice work. Now, put your finger underneath that. Remember, we're going to change it. Change sink to rank. Rank. Yes, that's right. Change the S to R. What letter? R. 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 Ink. Remember we spell it? A, N, K. Ink. Let's read it. R, ink. Read it fast. Blend it all. Rank. Nice work. All right, let's change rank to tank. Tap it. T, ink, tank. First sound, T. What letter? T. Good job. T. Ink. A, N, K. Ink. Let's read it. T. Ink. Tank. All right, let's make a new word. This time, change tank to think. Say it again. Think. What do you hear at the beginning? Good job. What two letters make the F sound? Two letters? T, H. Ink. A, N, K. Ink. So we read it like this. Ink. Read it fast. Think. All right, good. Keep going. Let's come back up here. Think. Our next word is yank. Tap it. Y. Ink. Blend it. Yank. There you go. First sound. Y. What letter? Y. Good job. Ink. A, N, K. Ink. Let's read it. Y. Ink. Read it fast. Yank. Awesome. Change yank to frank. Let's tap that one out. Ink. So we hear two sounds at the beginning. We have a blend. Frank. And also, Frank is a name, so make sure your first letter is capital. Ink. Frank. First sound, letter F. Capital F. F. R. Ink. A, N, K. Ink. Let's read it. Blend it. Fur. Ink. Read it fast. Frank. There we go. All right, let's change frank to blank. Blank. We have another blend. All right, so change the fur to bl. Two sounds. B, l, but we say them fast. Bl. First sound, b, b, b. B. Remember, go to bed. B. B is this way. B. L. What letter? L. Ink. A-N-K. Ink. Let's read it. B. L. Bl. Ink. Read it fast. Blank. Awesome. All right, one more last word. Let's do a challenging word. How about shrink? Ooh, let's tap that one. Sh. R. A. Ink. Let me do that again. Sh. R. Ink. There we go. Shrink. First sound. Shh. All right, what two letters say shh? That's right. S-H. Perfect. Shh. Shh. R. What letter says R? R.